Hi, Matt Kohler with Brooklyn Copper Cookware. Today, we're going to look at something that, for all of you who have flat lids, you might already know about this, and for those of you who might buy one from us, we'd like to teach you about. Flat lids can lose their true, they lose their flatness, and when they're not resting on your pan evenly or lifting on an edge, there's a very simple method you can use to regain the true, to make the lid perfectly flat again. All you need to do is position a pan that's approximately the diameter of the cover you're attempting to true on a cloth to keep it from sliding around on the table. Position the cover squarely over the pan, so all the edges of the pan are covered, and with one hand stabilize the cover. In the case of our stang handle, easily done on the handle part itself. If you don't have a stang handle, simply brace the edge of the cover on the pan, and then with your other hand, position that squarely in the center of the pan, and then with gentle but firm pressure, lean into it, push down, flex the cover down over the pan so you feel it move a little bit, and that should true your cover nice and flat again.